Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can lock layers in your website projects you design on Framer.com. So let us dive into this. Head over to your website project in the Framer website editor, either through the web version or desktop version. Here guys, what you want to do is navigate to the page under pages of your website project. For example, I will go with this example page here. And what you want to do next is switch to the layers tab, expand it, and then you will see the layers of the given page. You can, for example, expand in these as well if these feature components, paths, and so on and so forth. So let's assume, for instance, you would like to lock this layer here to, so that you don't add any edits or changes to it while, I don't know, working with other layers you put on it. So to do that, right click into the layer, select lock or use the shortcut Ctrl-L, and you will see this lock button to the right. Remember that all sub layers of the given layer will be locked as well, but you can unlock these by clicking into that button or lock them again or unlock them. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.